everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you a tutorial how to use template in CapCut based on trend. The first, you can go to template button here and then click on the search button. If you see on the trending tabs here, this is all of a template trending at your country. To use it, you simply click on the one of the trending template. I will choose slow-mo. And after that, choose the template. I will choose this one. Click use template. And choose the video. I will choosing this video. And then click next. And this is the result. If you want to delete the watermark here, you can click on the export and then click export without watermark. So this is tutorial how to use template in CapCut based on trend. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.